Welcome to the digital frontier, a realm where artificial intelligence is not just a concept, but a reality that's transforming our lives. Today, we're diving into an in-depth exploration of three AI titans: ChatGPT-4, Microsoft's Bing, and Google's Bard AI. These trailblazers are redefining the boundaries of technology, and we're here to dissect their capabilities, strengths, and areas of improvement. Each of these AI chatbots has its unique strengths and weaknesses. They're evolving at a rapid pace, bringing us closer to a future where AI is an integral part of our daily lives. But how do they stack up against each other? How do they leverage their unique capabilities to provide value to users? Let's delve deeper to find out. First up, we have ChatGPT-4, developed by OpenAI. This large language model is a powerhouse of capabilities. It can generate code for apps and websites, create original works like stories or poems, and even help plan an itinerary for a family vacation. It's a powerful tool, but it comes with a price tag. Its advanced capabilities are available through a subscription, making it a premium choice for those seeking top-tier AI assistance. Next, we have Microsoft's Bing. This chatbot is a result of a strategic partnership between Microsoft and OpenAI. It combines the power of OpenAI ChatGPT with Microsoft's own Prometheus model. The result is a chatbot that's both powerful and user-friendly. It's integrated into Microsoft's Edge browser, making it easily accessible for users. It's a formidable contender in the AI chatbot arena. Finally, we have Google's Bard AI. This chatbot uses Google's own model, Lambda. It's a large language model capable of generating text, translating languages, and even writing creative content. But Google is not stopping there. Bard will soon be switching to Palm, a more advanced data set. This transition promises to enhance Bard's capabilities, making it an even stronger player in the AI chatbot space. So, which AI chatbot comes out on top? It's a tough call. Each has its strengths and weaknesses. But one thing is clear: the future of AI is bright, and these chatbots are leading the way. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, and we can expect to see even more advancements in the near future. As we move forward, we can expect these AI chatbots to evolve and improve. They will become more integrated into our daily lives, helping us work more efficiently and making our digital interactions more seamless. The future of AI is not just about technology, it's about how this technology can enhance our lives, streamline our tasks, and open up new possibilities. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Whether it's ChatGPT-4, Microsoft's Bing, or Google's Bard AI, one thing is clear: the future of AI is bright, and these chatbots are leading the way. They're not just tools, they're partners in our digital journey, helping us navigate the complexities of the digital world. So let's embrace this digital revolution together. Let's welcome the future, where AI is not just a part of our lives, but a catalyst for growth, innovation, and progress.